Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Hyatt Ziva Los Cabos. Located in San Jose del Cabo and right on a beautiful beach. You're gonna love this resort, but let's talk about the room we're in right now. This particular one is one of my favorite categories. It is a swim up and it comes in both a double and a king variety. This particular one is a king. Let me show you what it's all about. So as soon as you walk in the door, you've got your light switch on the left-hand side, but I wanted to point out that you do have to have a key card in here. This activates the power. If you take it out, it's also not going to charge your devices. So just an eco-friendly initiative right there. As soon as you come in, you've got your first closet. You've got your robes and slippers here. They have a phenomenal spa, so if you want to wear those up there, I highly recommend that you check out our full resort tour. You can see every single space on this beautiful resort. You also have your safe, hanging storage, and a little storage up above. Continuing along, just underneath here, you are going to have your mini fridge. It is fully stocked upon arrival. You can have them replenish it as you like throughout your stay. You have a little bit more storage underneath here as well. Continuing along, you have the second set of storage for closet. You've got a little up above, you've got your iron and ironing board, and right there you see you have a place to put your luggage. Now let's head into the bathroom. Just to the left-hand side is the toilet. I like that they've got the door that shuts off completely, and you've got your full double vanity right here. You see you have your amenity kit. Underneath, you're gonna have your hair dryer and your scale as well. I try to avoid that as often as possible. You've got your backlit magnifying mirror, and you also have plugs on both sides. Something I really appreciate about this room is there are a lot of plugs in here. Continuing along, you have the shower and the tub. It's kind of a unique configuration. You've got your shower wand, rainforest shower head, tall enough to fit me underneath. Really appreciate that. You've got your shower amenities right there. And you see you have a full jacuzzi soaking tub. This is awesome whether you want to just take a nice relaxing bath or if you're traveling with kids. As we head into the main living space, you have your luggage storage right there. I love that they have drawers right underneath so you can unpack and put away completely. I did want to show you that they have this. It opens up if you want that light to come through, or I guess if you just want to play a game of peekaboo. And right next to your bed, you're going to have your alarm clock there. It does work as a Bluetooth speaker. You also have two USB chargers and a US plug. You've got a small light here so you don't disturb your partner while you're reading in the evening. Now in front of the bed, you're going to have your full flat panel TV. You can access all kinds of different menus, information about the resort as well. You've got drawers up and down, and also the small ottoman that you can sit on to get ready. Now, you'll see that this is a full king-size bed. This does come in a two double variety, and one of the things I love about this resort is that they have a ton of connecting rooms where they connect a king with two doubles, which is perfect for a lot of family configurations. Now, continuing on to the other side, you have your remote, you have your phone, and you also have another US plug and two USBs. When they renovated the resort, they put those in, and it's such a great touch because everybody travels with devices and you can have plenty of charging space in the room. Now you'll see you have two chairs and a table. This is that perfect place to take advantage of that fantastic room service menu. We've enjoyed the food greatly here at the resort. And of course, if you want to see all the restaurants that they have, you can see that in our full resort tour. Now here is a couch bed that pulls out. And one of the unique things is it pulls out into a full queen. I really like that. But this particular room is all about the swim up, the pool outside. So let me show you that. So as we head out to the balcony, you can see what I'm talking about. I love that they have a continuation of that beautiful handmade Mexican tile out here. You've got your two chairs and table, perfect place for a cup of coffee in the morning or maybe for a cocktail in the evening. And here you can see that they have these loungers. Now, one of the things I love about this particular swim up is they have the loungers in the water. I love sitting there, putting my feet in the water. You've got the table there in the middle as well, perfect for that cocktail. And as you continue along, you can walk right on out into the pool. Now this category comes in a variety that is facing the main pool and also one that is facing the adult pool. Now one really important thing to note is that for this particular category, if you're staying with kids, they have to be 13 and up. And if you have two children traveling with you, they do require that you sign a waiver, mainly just to make sure that you're paying attention at all times because there's water right here. So when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room at Hyatt Ziva or any of the Hyatt Ziva or Zilara properties, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your Playa Resorts experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have a phenomenal relationship with them. And we know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your family, or your group at an incredible value.